Fourth standard students, let us start from page number 16, inter-school sports meet. Already we have taken this in online class. Race. This is a 100-meter race for girls. You can see Arundhati is nearest to the finishing line. She is about 6 meters from it. Arundhati, between the distance Arundhati and last point is 6 meters. Behind her is Rehana. Kavita and Uma running behind Rehana. Behind her is Rehana here. So Rehana is here behind Arundhati. Now Kavita and Uma are running behind Rehana. Kavita and Uma, both the girls are running behind Rehana. Look at the pictures. Okay, to answer the questions below, choose from these distances. From here 3, 6, 10 and 15 meters. Don't forget to put unit. How far is Rehana from Arundhati? See, this distance is 6 meters. So this distance may be between 4 to 6 meters. Any option is there? It is not. We can't say this 3 meter. Am I right or wrong? But it is less than 6 meters. It is not more than the 6 meters. So list value is 3 meters. So we will take this. Okay. How far ahead is Rehana from Kavita and Uma? Okay. This distance is approximately equal to this. So we can say that 6 meters. So you will fill here 3 meters, here 6 meters. How far are Kavita and Uma from the finishing line? Here you will write 3 meter, here 6 meter. Now Kavita and Uma from the finishing line. So distance between Rehana and these both the girls 6 meter. Distance between Arundhati and Rehana 3. So 6, 3, 9. And distance between this to this 6. So total distance between these both the girls and this boundary line is 15 meter. 6, 3, 9, 9, 6, 15. 15 meter. Now I'll show you how you can solve. This is the fill in the blank, so you can easily. But how far are Kavita and Uma from the finishing line? So I'm showing you how you will solve. How far are Kavita and Uma from the finishing line? So how you will solve? First you will write distance between Rehana and both the girls is 6 meter. Distance between Rehana and Arundhati is 3 meter. We have seen. Distance between Arundhati and finishing line is 6 meter. Then distance between both the girls and finishing line. In bracket, first distance is 6 meter, then 3 meter and then again 6 meter. So total distance 6 plus 3 plus 6, 6, 3, 9, 9, 6, 15. 15 meter. And then statement form you will write, you will copy from the question number this. 15 meter is the distance is Kavita and Uma from the finishing line. Clear? And picture you will paste on the blank page and the writing work you will take on lining page, and sub question C you will solve in this way. Now have you heard about 1500 meter or 3000 meter race? You remember that 1000 meters make 1 kilometer and 500 meters make half a kilometer. So you can say, here you will write, so we can say. You will write in place of you, W-E-V. In a 1500 meters race, people run 1 kilometer and a half kilometer. That means one integer 1 by 2, or you can write 1.5 kilometer from here, because 1000 meters make 1 kilometer and 500 meters make half, so half for this. In 3000 meters race, people run 3 kilometer. Clear? Now see on the next page, have you heard about marathon races in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? People run marathons on roads because the track of a stadium is only 400 meters. The stadium's track is only 400 meters, and in the marathon road, the limit is 40 kilometers people have to run. So stadium is very small for marathon. 10 rounds of stadium track. So first I am explaining, in one round, if you will take one round of stadium, you will cover, or we will cover 400 meters distance. So in 10 rounds, 10 into 400 for one round we know. For many rounds we have to calculate. So multiplication operation will be taken. So 10 rounds. So 10 into 400, 4000 meters, and 4000 meters will make 4 kilometers. So answer will be 4 kilometers. So if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete how many rounds? So see here, in 400 meters distance, for covering 400 meters distance, how many rounds we take? 1. And we have to complete 40 kilometers. So 40 kilometers, first we will change into meters and then divide by 400 meters. Number of rounds we will find. So here fill in the blanks you will do. Only in the here the answer will be 4 kilometer and here 100 rounds. But how you will solve in CW notebook, that means your Interleaf notebook, I am showing you. Now see here, given the track of a stadium is 4 meter. So we can say that distance covered in one round of the track of a stadium is 400 meter. Now we have to calculate for 10 rounds. So distance covered in 10 rounds will be more. So multiplication operation will be taken. So 400 into 10, 4000 meter, and 4000 meter will make 4 kilometer, because in 1000 meter 1 kilometer is there. Same way you will copy in your Interleaf notebook. Now see next question, how many rounds will be taken to cover the distance of 40 kilometer of stadium's track? Now see here, number of rounds will be taken to cover 4 kilometer of distance. We know that 10 from the previous question. Same statement you will write, number of rounds will be taken to cover. So marathons, for marathons, how much distance we have to cover? 40 kilometers. So 40 kilometer of distance you will write here. So this number you will take in numerator, this number you will take in denominator, and again this distance you will take in the numerator. 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are 40. So 10 into 10, that means 100 rounds. So statement form you will write, 100 rounds will be taken to cover the distance of 40 kilometer of the stadium's track or track of a stadium. Okay. Now long jump. Already we have taken this also in the online class. This is the long jump for boys. You can see here Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meter 40 centimeter. Gurujit is second. His jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu's jump. So from this distance we will subtract 20 centimeters. So we will get Gurujit's jump. Gopi comes third. His jump is only 5 centimeter less than Gurujit's jump. So we will get Gurujit's jump. How? When we subtract 20 centimeter from this distance, and whatever answer we are getting from that answer, if we will subtract 5 centimeter, we will get Gopi's jump. So how long are Gurujit's and Gopi's jump? Here you will write the distance in the book, But how you will solve in the Interleaf notebook, I am showing you on the green board. This activity for you. Try and see how far you can jump, how far you throw a ball, dash meters, look for a big ball like a football or volleyball. How far can you kick it? This you will not copy in the Interleaf notebook. So let us solve. Now see here, given Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meter 40 centimeter and Gurjit's jump is less than Dhanu's jump. So what we will do, from Dhanu's jump we will subtract 20 centimeter. So 3 meter 40 centimeter below 20 centimeter, 0 minus 0 0, 4 minus 2 2, 3 meter. So Gurjit's jump is 3 meter 20 centimeter long. Now we know that Gopi's jump is 5 centimeter less than Gurjit's jump. So what we will do, from Gurjit's jump we will subtract 5 centimeters. So 3 meter 20 centimeter minus 5. 20 minus 5, 15. So 3 meter as it is. 3 meter 15 centimeter will be the answer. So Gopi's jump is 3 meter 15 centimeter long. Now see on the next page. Here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. Sports, high jump for men. Xavier is 2 meter 45 centimeter in world record, and Indian record Chandrapal 2 meter 17 centimeter. Long jump for men, Mike P 8 meter 95 centimeter, Amritpal 8 meter 8 centimeter. Then high jump for women, Stefika K 2 meter 9 centimeter, Bobby A 1 meter 91 centimeter. Indian records, world record. Long jump for women, Galina C 7 meter 52 centimeter and Anju G 6 meter 83 centimeter. Now find out from the table how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump. For high jump, Chandrapal 2 meter 17 centimeter, 2 meter 45 centimeter. So from this jump we will subtract this jump, we will get the answer. If Chandrapal would this much centimeter, what in answer we will get that jump more. So he will be, or he would be near the world record, और उसका नाम भी वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में होता. Okay, so let us start. Answer you know, but how you have to solve in your notebook I am explaining. Now see how you will solve. Given Xavier's high jump is 2 meter 45 centimeter high and Chandrapal's is 2 meter 17 centimeter. Then 2 meter 45 centimeter minus 2 meter 17 centimeter. 5 minus 7 is not possible, so 5 will borrow from 4 and here in place of 4 will be 3. So here will be 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So answer 28 centimeter more Chandrapal should jump to equal the men's world record for high jump. In this way you will solve in your notebook. Now next is how many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters. So Bobby A jump is 1 meter 91 centimeter and for making 100 centimeter 9 centimeter we need, but how we will solve here I am showing you. And here you will write, remember that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and half meter is equal to 50 centimeter. Here you will write 50 centimeter. So let us start solution. Okay. So first you will write, given Bobby A's jump is 1 meter 91 centimeter. Now 91 centimeter, how we can make in 100 centimeter when we add 9 in this 91 centimeter. See 91, after 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So 9 if you will count on your finger. Then 1 meter 91 centimeter plus 9, so 91, 9 centimeter. If you will add 91 plus 9, 100 centimeter you will get. 100 centimeter will make 1 meter, so 2 meter. answer will be there. So to reach 2 meter, Bobby A should jump 9 centimeter higher. Okay. Now see, Galina's long jump is nearly. Okay, Galina's long jump is here. 7 meter, 52 centimeters. So 52 is nearest to 60 or 50. It is nearest to 50. So we can say that Galina's long jump is nearly 7.5 meters. Because in 50 centimeter, we will get half meter. Clear? So first you will solve which question? 2. After that you will write this and then third question. Now fourth question, look at the women's world records. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? So we will see only world records for women and then find the difference. Okay, let us start. Now you can see in the fourth question, given in the world record, women's high jump is 2 meter 9 centimeter and long jump is 7 meter 52 centimeter. Long jump is more than the high jump. So what we will do, we will find difference from long jump, high jump. So 7 meter 52 centimeter minus 2 meter 9 centimeter. So 9 we will write in the at the ones place. So 2 minus 9 is not possible. 2 will borrow from 5. Here will be 4. 12 minus 9 is 3. 4 as it is. 7 minus 2, 5. So the difference is 5 meter 43 centimeter. Now, fifth question. If Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 centimeter. So if Mike P 8 meter 95 centimeters. So 95 centimeter is nearest to 100. But how many? 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 5 centimeter is less than this to reach 100 centimeter. So how you will do? Let us start. So first you will write given Mike P's jump is 8 meter 95 centimeter. So in 95, if we will add 5 centimeters, so see here, 5 plus 5, 10, carry over 1, 9, 1, 10, carry over 1, 8, 1, 9, 9 meter full you got. So we will write if Mike P could jump 5 centimeter longer, his jump would be full 9 meter. Now next question, whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? So see here near to 2. JVS jump is 2 meter 45 centimeter nearest to half centimeter now, because in 50 centimeter 45 centimeter is nearest to 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter make half meter. Here 2 meter 17 centimeter. So 17 centimeter is not nearest to 50 centimeter. So answer will be JVS. Okay.